Hey everyone, today we're diving into Citymapper, the ultimate urban mobility app. Links are down below. Designed for commuters, travelers, and anyone tackling public transit, Citymapper helps you navigate cities worldwide. Unlike typical maps, it offers real-time transit info for buses, trains, subways, ferries, bikes, and scooters, pulling data from numerous providers for accurate route planning. Its standout feature? The detailed journey planner. Enter your start and end points and instantly compare routes based on time, cost, and convenience. Citymapper factors in delays, disruptions, and even suggests alternatives for the fastest, most efficient journey. It's also multimodal, letting you seamlessly combine transport modes. Plan a trip using the metro, bus, and a rental bike, all in one route. Plus, get turn-by-turn walking directions and integrate ride-hailing services. For commuters, Citymapper Go provides live, step-by-step navigation with alerts, and an AI-powered smart commute tool learns your travel patterns. Traveling to a new city? Citymapper's got you covered with real-time fares, transit passes, and cost breakdowns. Offline maps are also available in some cities. Plus, the Citymapper Pass, where available, offers unlimited travel. Citymapper is a top-tier navigation tool for urban travel, providing real-time updates, smart routing, and seamless multimodal integration. Commuter or traveler, this app will upgrade your transit experience. Check the links below to explore Citymapper and start navigating smarter today.